Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to make up a junction box. So first things first, I'm going to take a pair of side cutters and I'm going to get all these wires to the correct length. So if you stick out your thumb on your fist, that is 6 inches from the back of your hand to the tip of your thumb. So grab them all, stick your thumb out, cut them off. Now we're going to cut the other ones. These are the Nipix angled side cutters, by the way. Now we're going to take our automatic strippers. These are really nice. They take all different sizes of wire. We're going to take our automatic strippers. We're going to go through here and we're going to strip back about 1 inch of insulation off of each one of these. I really like these. It's a lot easier than fighting with this wire to get the insulation off. While I'm doing this, it's a good opportunity for y'all to subscribe to my channel. We post new content weekly, so there'll always be something to watch, and it'll always be either electrician tools or how-to videos. Now that we've got them all stripped, we're going to take our nut twister. It's made by Ideal. And the way this works is a wire nut just goes right down in there and then you twist it on. So we'll put our greens together, put our wire nut on. I like to twist them till the wires twist together just a little bit. So just like that. See how them wires are twisted together? That's what we're looking for. We'll grab another wire nut, put our blacks together. Now there's 2 circuits in this box, so we're not going to put all of our whites together. We're going to put 2 whites and 2 whites. That way we've got separate circuits. If you put them all together, it's a code violation. Now if this were all one circuit, then you would want to put them together. But since this is 2 circuits, we need 2 separate whites. This thing saves your hands a lot from cramping. Love it. There you go. Now all we gotta do is put all these wires up in the box. No particular order needed here. Whatever's the easiest way to get them in there. I had a guy comment on one of my videos and said that 6 inches of wire hanging out the face of the box is not the code. And he is correct, that is not the code. The code is 6 inches from where the pipe enters. However, it's also 3 inches extending past the face of the box. This box is 2 1/4 inches deep. 3 inches past that's 5 1/4. So he is correct. 6 inches from here covers that. However, if this were a deep box, then that would not be correct, and you would need more than 6 inches of wire in here to extend 3 inches past the face of the box. So I always give 6 inches from the face, and I know I'm good. Now we take our cover and our Klein multi-tool and put our cover on. Make sure all your wire nuts and stuff get back in there good. Make sure there ain't no wires hanging out of the edge of your box, and tighten it down. And that's how to wire a junction box. All the tools that you've seen here today will be linked in the description. So hopefully you found this useful. And once again, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for all our future videos. And y'all have a great day.